Hey guys, Katie William with Velours Floral Design. Today I'm going to walk you through how I made these succulent wall hangings. These are real live succulents. I've been trying to get our house ready and finished so I can give you guys a house tour and show you guys our move, but I've been kind of in a funk, and so you're gonna have to wait for that. Hopefully that will be done by next week, but I have some artwork that I want to hang up and some that I want to make before I can hang it up. So kind of in the process of doing all that. In the meantime, I made this, and so I'm going to show you how this is put together. So I bought this little wire rack at HomeGoods, and these letters I've actually had for probably over 2 years. Got them at Michael's, and I've been wanting to use them for this project ever since. And I apologize, I couldn't get more footage to download on my computer, so I'm making this on my phone, and I had slower footage for you, but I can't get it downloaded. So anyway, I started by lining the letters with moss and then filling in the middle with dirt and then putting more moss on top. I soaked the moss before I put it in there, and then just kind of wiggle the moss around to make room for the succulents, and I try to get as much roots in there as possible, and this is kind of the finished product. The moss and the dirt is wired in so that when it goes vertical onto the wall, they won't fall, and I made it on that wire thing so that I can take it off the wall monthly and go water everything. So yeah, I think it turned out really cute. I'm sorry I didn't have slower footage and could go into more detail, but that's just how life goes sometimes. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. To hold the plants and their roots inside the soil, I use these greening pins that you can get in the floral section of Michael's, or if you have a cutting without any roots, you can just hot glue it into moss. So yeah, so this video that I wanted to be a tutorial for you guys, turning more into an overview, but I hope it was helpful anyway. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Next week I'm going to be putting out a home tour video, so we'll see you then.